Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff, and welcome to 2023 here in the Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff shop. Every year, at least for the last few, I have done a resolutions video where I talk about the things that I want to do here in the shop, here on the channel, for the upcoming year. And that's what we're going to do today. I've got a list of things that I would like to move forward and get done and accomplish for the upcoming year. Hopefully it's a better year than the last one in terms of accomplishing these things, but you know, I think it's important to set goals and be okay with not reaching them rather than not setting goals and not have anything to shoot for. Let's get into them. Normally I categorize them into like shop resolutions, project or technique resolutions, and like channel or business resolutions. This year I'm not going to do that. I just have a list of things. So let's just go through it and we'll see how many I can get done in the next 365 days. All right, so the first thing on the list is to be better at cleaning my shop more regularly. I want to get more proactive about just tidying up a little bit here and there instead of letting it get completely out of hand and then having to take a couple of days every few months to not be making anything and just lose a couple days of productivity just so that I can reset my shop because it's gotten into a state. So that's one of my resolutions this year, is just be better at just tidying up after yourself, idiot. Just put a few things away every time you're going to walk out of the shop. Just put a few things away and toss the scrap a little more frequently. Or, you know, just be a little better. That's resolution number one. Resolution number two is to make more than one stringed instrument. I would like to complete more than one stringed instrument this year. I made a guitar 2 years ago and kind of caught the bug. And then last year I didn't make any stringed instrument. So this year I want to make two. I'm not going to say what kind of instruments they are or how fancy pants they're going to be, but I would like to finish 2 stringed instruments this year. We'll see. Resolution number 3 is improve the shop lighting. Right now I have 2 banks of 2 T8 fluorescent bulbs, 1 2-splitter thing of, I think those are 60-watt light bulbs, and 2 like desk lamp clip-on things that are sort of task lights. That is not ideal for a shop situation. I would like to have more even light that doesn't have as bad sort of cast shadows and stuff. So I would like to do something about the shop lights. I don't know exactly what that's going to be yet, but shop light improvement is resolution number 3. Resolution number 4 is I would like to record and release 1 original song. It's not an album of songs, not an EP. I'm setting the goal at releasing 1 song this year. I have a fair number of original pieces of music that I have written over the years, and I would like to finally get one out into the world in a at least semi-professional manner for people to enjoy and or make fun of me for. Yeah. Okay, what are we at here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Resolution number 5, I think, is to refurbish a tool of some way. I would like to bring a tool back from the dead. I'd like to go through the process of taking something that looks like it might as well go to the landfill and bring it back into something that's functional and that I can put to use here in the shop. I don't know what kind of tool it's going to be, and I don't know anything about refurbishing tools, so that'll be an adventure to look forward to. If you're interested in that type of thing, at some point this year, the theory is that I will do that at least once. And then finally, just sort of overall, an overarching goal is to make more artistic things. I would like to make more art. I used to make a lot of art, whether it was painting or sculpture or photography. And some of what I make out here in the shop, I guess, could qualify as artistic. But I would like to bring more art into my life in terms of creation and the creative process, and sort of diversify the types of art that I make. Make some things that are absolutely not functional, other than the fact that they are beautiful and they enrich our lives. So, more art, refurb a tool, more than one stringed instrument, record and produce and release at least one song, shop lighting upgrade, and be better at cleaning. That's a pretty good list. I think that's a pretty good list. That's a good set of goals for a year. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you do resolutions, what's yours for this year? If you don't do resolutions, why not? I mean, it's not for everybody. I didn't do resolutions for a long time in my life. I just didn't see the point. But for the last few years, I think I've thought that it's a good idea to at least think about, if not say out loud or write down, some goals. Some just ways that you would like to improve, or things that you would like to accomplish, to at least have targets, you know? Anyway, that's it. Welcome to 2023. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. It's always the goal here on the channel and in life. Bye for now. Thanks. We'll see you around for some more projects soon. Promise.